Top stocks in news: CE Info System, Patanjali, Zen Tech, Aza Eng, Kabel, NCC, SBFC Finance and Astra Microwave. Stocks including Kotak Mahindra Bank, NPTC Green, BPCL, RailTel, Hindustan Unilever, Zen Tech, Bank of Baroda, BEML, auto stocks, and more will be in the spotlight on Monday, November 3. Corporate actions today: shares of Shree Cement, Colgate Palmolive India, DCM Shriram, Oracle Financial Services Software and Supreme Industries shall trade ex-dividend today. Shares of BEML shall trade ex-trade today. 1 CE Info Systems. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with Mappls MapmyIndia to integrate DMRC's API within the Mappls app. As per the MOU, DMRC's metro data will now be integrated with the Mappls platform to enhance commuter convenience across Delhi-NCR. 2 Patanjali Foods. The FMCG reported a 67% YoY jump. Indiana the net profit at Rs 516.69 crore, while revenue soared 21% YoY to Rs 9,798.8 crore for the 3 months ended September 30, 2025. 3 Zen Technologies. The defense company has received 2 orders from the Ministry of Defense for the upgradation of anti-drone systems, with a total aggregate value of Rs 289 crore. 4 Aza Engineering. The precision engineering player reported a 55.8% YoY jump in the net profit at Rs 32.7 crore, while revenue increased 30.6% YoY to Rs 145.6 crore for July-September 2025 period. Its EBITDA increased 32.1% YoY to Rs 53.2 crore, while EBITDA margin was up at 36.5%. 5 RR Kabel. The wires and cables maker reported a net profit at Rs 116.3 crore, up 134.7% YoY, while revenue came in at Rs 2,163.8 crore, up 19.5% YoY for the quarter ended on September 30, 2025. EBITDA rose to Rs 175.56 crore, with margins at 8.1% for the reporter. 6 NCC. The construction company has received 4 additional orders worth Rs 710 crore during October. Of these, Rs 590.9 crore pertain to the buildings division and Rs 119.1 crore related to the transportation division. These orders are in addition to one major order valued at Rs 6,828.94 crore, received on October 25. 7 SBFC Finance. The leading NBFC reported a 30% YoY jump. Indiana the net profit at Rs 109.1 crore, while revenue jumped 32% YoY to Rs 281.8 crore for the September 2025 quarter. Asset quality improved on both net and gross levels. It raised Rs 200 crore through NCDs in August 2025. 8 Astra Microwave Products. Astra Rafael Comzis, the joint venture of the defense company, has received an order worth Rs 285.56 crore from the Ministry of Defense for the procurement of communication systems, with accessories, for the Special Forces of the Indian Air Force. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.